Happy Monday to all you traders, trade hackers. Um, just got done trading. Traded a little longer than I wanted to. Things kind of slowed down, and I had a couple of positions that I needed to close out, and just kind of was waiting on them. But nice way to start the week. $1,299 in profits today. Had one mighty 90 that was a loser. I cut it out pretty quick. I probably could have held it longer, but Roku minus 210 on the runners. Airbnb 131. Nice winner in coin 565. Had some small winners in 3D and Piton. Nice winner in Roblox. Square was a small loser 130. Tesla, I actually had two positions here. One was a winner and one was a loser. Ended up net profit 220 and a small loser in Twitter. So I won't go through all of them, the ones that are small winners or losers, but let's take a look at some of the bigger ones. So Roku had a mighty 90 that was a losing trade. So let me see exactly what time I got in Roku. I was quick to cut this. Okay, so 9:15. So Roku had this mighty 90 here, and I got in here on this pullback, and then it ripped up, and the market was really strong, so I got down about 10%, and so that's something I'm maybe trying to work on is cutting losers. If I would have held, would have closed out down here, probably would have been about a scratch trade. So, but minus 210. I just wanted to cut that loss quicker than maybe normal. Airbnb. So we did an upside runner in Airbnb. So right here, blow this up a little bit. So on this pullback here, I had a really nice push here. On this pullback here, we got long and sat through all of this. And this is one of the trades that kept me trading longer. Just sat through all of this. And finally, when it pushed up here and pulled back a little bit, closed it out, $131 winner. So coin, let's take a look at coin. Don't trade this very often, but it gave us a really nice, big volume bar here. It was this big volume bar here that pushed up, and when it gave us a little pullback, we got long for an upside runner and rode it up here and closed it out for 565. So nice trade there. Roblox. Let's take a look at Roblox. Let's type it in here. So Roblox was really strong this morning, and so I ended up getting in right here when it started. It pushed through this pivot, and then I saw it pull back. I mean, look at these volume bars. Here's the first one, and then these are all bigger. So when a stock does this and it doesn't give you much of a pullback, sometimes you just got to try to jump in where you can. So I jumped in right here as it pulled back here because I saw it go through that pivot, and then boom, it blew up through that pivot. And I got a 10% here on this push up, and then as it started to pull back here, I held on to a couple contracts. It pushed up, and then I exited up here out of all my contracts. So plus 530. Square. Let's see, Square. So Square was, let's see when I got into Square. Square was an upside runner, and so it started off really strong, pushing up, and when it pulled back here, got long thinking it was going to continue. It kind of fell apart here as it pushed back up here. I just exited on this bounce here, thinking it might roll back over. So ended up with a minus 130. So small loser there. Tesla. Last one I'll show you here. Oops. So Tesla. So I had two. Okay, so in Tesla, I had two trades. Okay, so first one was an upside runner. Let me see something here quick. So in Tesla, first one was a $520 winner. So I had this really big volume bar. When I got this pullback, it got long for an upside runner and rode it up. And then we got another big volume bar. So as it pulled back, got long again, and to re-enter thinking it was going to continue, and then just sat through all of this, and then finally it started to roll. Once it rolled and it pushed down below this price point here, I exited. It was a $300 loser. So 520 winner, $300 loser, net of 220 for Tesla, and that is all. So good day, good Monday. Always take a over $1,000 day, and especially for a Monday. So we'll look to continue tomorrow. Also on Wednesday, we are opening our live stream to anyone. So if you are interested in jumping in our live stream to watch, you can do it for free. Shoot me an email at chad@navigationtrading.com. So it's always interesting to watch and see what we're doing, and you can get a free view and see what it is we're exactly doing and the strategies we're trading. So that's all for today. Have a great rest of your Monday. Peace.